Hello, in this video I will show you how to do a hard reset through recovery mode on REDMI Pad SE. So you have to start with turning off your REDMI Pad SE by holding power button. Now swipe up to power off. And once your device is powered off, you have to press power button and volume up button at the same time. And when Xiaomi logo pops up, release of power button, hold just volume up button, and you should see something like that. And here you have to use volume buttons to move and power button to select. So move to wipe data and now press power button to select, and now move to wipe all data and press power button to select. Now move to confirm and press power button to select. And now you have to wait for a while until the factory reset procedure is completed. And now you have to press power button to back to main menu, and now you can select reboot and select reboot to system, and your device will just reboot to Android. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.